left the Quimbaya area. We're currently in Pereira. Hola. This is a rest stop on the way to Santa Rosa De Cabal. And they have a coffee shop, a frozen yogurt spot, and a gift shop. And the owner and her husband personally hand make these awesome little figurines, or muñecas, or whatever you want to call them. Coffee time. Burning my thumb. So it's a tambo. A tambo, I guess, is a rest stop over here. There's goldfish in there. All right, so we got a little walking path, trail, all the way up the mountain. We made it to the Termales of Santa Rosa De Cabal, but behind me we got the waterfall. That's what I'm gonna go check out first. And this is it, La Cascada. So this is what the thermal pools look like. Right back here, right back here. There's another one back there. And one more. Way down there you can see. The water in the waterfall is cool, but not that cold. I feel like the springs in Florida are colder. That's basically one of the cooling stations they recommend you to jump in after you go into the thermal pool. It's time to relax. Something to drink. It's also snack time. I'm gonna munch on a little oblea, typical Colombian snack. And one of the rad things I think Colombia does is the recycling. They do this very well. They separate it in 3 different bins. One's plastics, aluminum, glass, organics, like banana peels, apple cores, and then the ones that you can't recycle at all. And you will find these, or at least I've seen them all over Colombia, like in Bogotá, Salento, Finlandia, all these places have these. And on this trip, I'm rocking the super dope Panasonic Lumix LX3, compact, old school. Let's go. On that side of the park they have a nature trail, and we're about to check that out. From here it turns into some dirt stairs. It's a lovely couple enjoying the afternoon here. And it goes further up and up. But the view is worth it.